And we try to make
That.
this bench for me. This is free.
From this website, Timberframe.
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna put it all on this side. Same thing that's here, so I can drill through it. Because the drill doesn't go all the way through. It goes like halfway, and then I gotta go halfway. That's the plan. We're going to take the chisel and the hammer and just,
Okay.
and then get out the corners, all this junk here.
Mm-hmm.
And then you do this side too, and eventually you'll get this stuff out.
Leave me alone, I need to do something. Using this, make a flap. Jay, go outside. What's this? What's this? Okay.
I'm just gonna make probably 5 or 6 of those.
We make a 1, 2, 3, 4 here and then take it out.
Yeah, well then I drill from the other side and we'll see.
We take the here to here, cut.
Yeah.
Same as this.
This took a really long time. These parts are easy, you just knock them off.
But this part is hard, right? This part.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Oh, you did good, yeah. Nice shape.
How you doing?
Good. I finished up one half of the legs. One set of the legs.
Cool. Cut everything with hands.
Yeah, this part you cut out. And then these I was drilling yesterday, this one. So we'll see if we can get everything put together.
Okay. That way.
Close enough.
Yeah. That's cool.
So next is to make one more of these, and then this piece is gonna go in this hole
Oh, okay.
and connect the 2 legs. Do you think that might be good enough?
Yeah, looks nice, right?
Yeah.
Looks like cake.
Good. All right.
Okay. I'm gonna,
It's a cool look.
yeah, I'm gonna scrub and clean. Can you give me the towel to the...
Yeah, you're gonna need a lot of this.
dirty. Ooh, dirty. Yeah, looks like tiger.
That's cool. That's super cool.
Yeah. Wow. You can see the old pattern of wood. That's a cool part.
Wow, yeah.
This one is not scrubbed yet.
Yeah.
This one is scrubbed and wiped.
Good, yeah.
So its color is different, right?
It is different, yeah. It's not as popping, but you need to scrub because
It's cool.
then we can sit on it. Okay. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna drill a hole here, here, and then put this in here, here. Yep.
Okay.
I guess I should cut this first. All right, I'm gonna give you the honors.
Yay!
All right.
Really stable now.
Yeah.
Good.
Oh my goodness, what are you doing? Huh?
Yay!
All right.
Are you happy?
I'm happy. I'm super happy. This is several days of hard work coming together. Yep.
Oh yeah. Wow. You like to? Yeah.
Did you have fun helping me build it?
Yeah, kind of.
There's a lot of sitting around and waiting.
Okay, this is the hardest part. But he did. And here is small. This is big, wide. So it's difficult to make it.
So yours looks pretty good.
Yeah, it's gonna be going here, right?
Yep. I hope.
Yeah. Down.
Not much.
But already it's tight.
Yeah, I mean,
Really tight. That's enough, right?
yeah, I mean, if it's tight, then that's all we need. Oh shoot! Oh no!
Wow, wow, wow. Oh, crack! Oh no! It's too tight.
Yes.
Oh, it's really crack.
It's a mess. Don't do this at home.
I'm gonna use 3 pieces of wood. It's our last burning. It's different than other wood. I'm gonna using different things. What is this?
Steel wool.
Steel wool. It's much smooth to cleaning. We see if it's not working, we're gonna using sandpaper.
Yeah.
It's almost
there. Alright, that's
다 했어?
했어.
와! My benchy! Are you happy?
I'm happy. It was a fun project. The timber frame and the chisel and everything was really fun. Nice bench.
Yeah.
This is a bench I would be okay standing on.
아 추워. 추워. It's mineral oil.
Yeah, you just gotta spread it around.
이거는 이케아에서 도마 살 때 같이 샀거든요.
Yeah, we bought it for the cutting board originally.
예.
But mineral oil is it's what you use to finish things that are non-toxic, like no chemical. That's why they use it on cutting boards.
예. Anyway, we already have this one, so we're gonna using this.
Yeah, see how it works.
Yep.
You can always add varnish or something if you need to later.
Mhm.
How do you like your bench?
I love it. I really love it. I can brush my teeth here. I can dry my hair here. I can change my clothes here. I can put my socks in here. And I can sleep here. I can sleep here.